Good morning, children. We are continuing the 6th chapter. The name of our chapter is Towns, Traders and Craft Persons. In this chapter, we will study about the three important earliest cities of India, such as Hampi, Surat and Machilipatnam. Let us first study about Hampi. Hampi was an important temple town. It belonged to Vijayanagara Empire, founded in 1336. The buildings in the royal complex had splendid arches, domes and pillared walls within niches of hoarding sculptures. That means many sculptures and royal complex buildings were there in Hampi. Hampi bustled with commercial and cultural activities. Muslim merchants, chettis and European agents from Portuguese came to Hampi for the trade. Temples played a very important role in Hampi. The Mahanavami festival, known today as Navaratri in the south, was one of the most important festivals celebrated at Hampi. The importance of Hampi came to an end following the defeat of Vijayanagara in 1565. The Deccan Sultans, the rulers of Golconda, Bijapur, Ahmednagar, Bihar and Bidar. The next important city was Surat. Surat also been called the gate to Mecca because many pilgrim ships set sail from here. That means Surat was an important early city because many ships were taken to European countries for trade. That is why it is called as the gate to Mecca. Then, according to the English chronicler Ovington, who wrote an account of the port in 1689, on average 100 ships of different countries could be found anchored at the port at any given time. Surat was very important trade center because if we look this port, we could see hundreds of ships. Then, however, Surat began to decline towards the end of 17th century. This was because of many factors: the loss of market and productivity because of the decline of the Mughal Empire, control of the sea routes by the Portuguese, and competition from Bombay, where the English East India Company shifted its headquarters in 1668. Today, Surat is a bustling commercial center. So, due to the coming of the Bombay city, then a decline of the power of Mughal rulers are the cause of the decline of Surat port. Then next, let us understand about Machilipatnam. Machilipatnam was the earliest trade center in Andhra Pradesh. Both the Dutch and English East India Companies attempted to control Machilipatnam as it became the most important port of the Andhra coast. The fort at Machilipatnam was built by the Dutch. It is near Krishna River, and the literary name of Machilipatnam is Fish Port. As the company, the Britishers moved to Bombay, Calcutta, Madras, Machilipatnam lost its prosperity. Okay, the Britishers gave importance to Bombay and Madras port. That is why the importance of Machilipatnam also declined. So, in this chapter, what we studied is that we had most important three earliest cities, such as Hampi, Surat and Machilipatnam. And many traders traded things from India to other countries through these three ports. But as the importance of Mughal rulers lost, or as the East India Company came to power, they give more importance to three other modern cities such as Bombay, Calcutta and Madras. As the importance of Bombay, Calcutta and Madras increased, the importance of Machilipatnam, Surat and Hampi declined. This is the end of the class. Thank you.